Hey guys, happy walkthrough Wednesday. Today we are going to look at a brand new floor plan. It's going to be a Cougar fifth wheel 302RL by Keystone. Starting up front, you do have two awnings with LED light strips. You have your outside speakers, pass-through storage. You also have your magnetic catches for your doors. Very nice feature. You get your step above solid steps. Nice size outside kitchen. You've got a refrigerator, countertop space to put coffee pot, rice cooker, anything like that. Capital grill. Ladder to a fully walkable roof, as well as you are prepped for a backup camera. Let's check out the inside. Alright, inside you've got huge opposing slide outs in here, very spacious. You got a table and chairs on this side, all nice wood lines throughout the camper as well. Nice big island with solid surface countertops, lots of countertop space. You got some over here, as well as your Furrion cooktop, 3-burner cooktop. This folds back as a backsplash, and then when you're not cooking, it folds down for extra countertop space. You've got your oven, microwave, huge refrigerator, as well as a hutch right over here with some additional countertop space and lots of cabinet space. Thomas Paine theater seating right across from your TV and fireplace, and your media center. You've got a trifold sofa in the back that does make a bed with end tables on each side and cabinets throughout. Alright, now we're going to check out the front of the camper. Alright, so coming up here you have your bathroom, pocket door, saves on space, nice big corner shower. You've got your sink area and medicine cabinet, as well as your wardrobe slide that does give you some additional cabinet and drawer space in your bathroom. And then up front you're going to have your bed area. You've got a nice big front windshield with a blackout curtain, cabinet space on both sides, and end table space, as well as a second AC, and you are prepped for another TV. Alright guys, thanks for watching another walkthrough Wednesday. Again, this was our brand new floor plan by Cougar, the 302RLS. It will be linked in the comments below. If you guys have any questions, let us know. Y'all have a good one. Thanks.